Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can connect a Windows 10 virtual machine that's running on the VMware Workstation to a Wi-Fi network. Now we'll begin by determining the name of the Wi-Fi interface on the host machine. Now this is a Windows 11 machine. This is where I have a VMware Workstation installed or running. To check the interface, if you look at the bottom right, you'll see this icon for your Wi-Fi connection. If you right click on it, you can go to Network and Internet Settings. Here you'll see the name of your Wi-Fi connection, and then to the right you'll see this arrow. You can click on it. Then here you have the properties. Click on the arrow. Scroll down, you'll see there's a description. This is the name that we want: Intel R Wi-Fi 6 AZ200. Okay, another way to determine that name is to use the control panel. You can search for it here. Then you can go to Network and Internet, go to Network and Sharing Center. Then click on Change Adapter Settings. You'll see a list of all the interfaces on the device. Some of them are virtual interfaces, and then you have your wired connection, and this is the Wi-Fi interface. There is the name of the Wi-Fi connection, and then there is the actual name of the interface, Intel R Wi-Fi 6 AZ200. So once we've determined this, we'll go to VMware Workstation and make a settings change there. Now on VMware Workstation, let's quickly check the version we're running. You can click on Help and then go to About VMware Workstation. Here you'll see the version is 17.5.2. Okay, click OK. Now click on Edit. Click on Virtual Network Editor. This is the Virtual Network Editor here. You want to click on Change Settings. Click Yes. You might have to click it here. Okay, once you get this window, under Bridged, where it says Bridged here, you see it's also is saying Bridged here. This is the type. This is the name. We want to make sure that the external connection that's listed here matches the name that we just saw for the Wi-Fi interface. You can change it here. Here is where you'll see the list of all the interfaces, network interfaces on your machine. If I click on the down arrow, you see it's listing all the interfaces. There's different ones that say Wi-Fi. Just make sure you're selecting the correct one. You see there's a Microsoft Wi-Fi here and here. Okay, so you want to make sure you select the one you just saw, which was this one. Once you have it selected, okay. So once you have this one selected, what you need to do is click OK and then apply. Okay, now the next step is to go to the settings of your virtual machine. So your Windows 10 VM, right click on it. So right click on it and go to settings. Okay, under network adapter, you want to make sure you have Bridged selected. And then click OK. Now you can power on the virtual machine. Then we'll verify that we have a valid IP address that's on the same subnet as our host machine. And we can check the IP address that we have on the host machine. I'll search for CMD here. And then I'll run ipconfig. So this is the Wi-Fi interface. This is the IP 192.168.1.120. It's a /24. That's the subnet mask. The default gateway is .1. Okay, so we want to make sure we're on this subnet right here on the Windows 10 VM. Okay, this is the Windows 10 virtual machine. We'll log into it. Okay, again, we'll search for the command prompt, cmd. Here, you'll type ipconfig. And the IP address that we're seeing is 192.168.1.173. It's the same subnet, and the IP is different. It ends with 173. We see the default gateway is the same, and the subnet mask is the same. It's /20/24. Okay, as you can see here, they're on the same subnet but different IPs. We can now check the connectivity to the internet. You can ping a website. Ping Google. And I'm able to ping google.com. So I'm able to ping google.com. You can check and verify your DNS. You can use ns lookup google.com. So this is my DNS server 8.8.8. I'm able to translate google.com to these IP addresses here. This is the IPv6 address. This is the IPv4 address. You can also use a browser and navigate to a site. And let's go to bbc.com here. And I'm able to access the site. So that's all for this video. That's how you can connect your Windows 10 VM to the Wi-Fi network on VMware Workstation. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.